Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw bloop. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with bloop, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to begin by making a small circle for the eye. Then I'm going to make a smaller circle inside of here and I'm going to color this in, leaving just a little bit white. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around, and then it's going to come down to here. And I like to add a couple little lines right behind the eye. Now right here, let's just draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the eyebrow. And then let's make the front of the mouth. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up, and then I'm just going to curve this down. And then I'm going to bring this line up and over to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve this up here for the mouth. And then we're going to bring this right to here. Starting here, for the bottom of the lip, let's draw a line that's just going to come down. And then we're going to bring this all the way up to here. Then right inside of here, let's make a little line that's just going to come down. And we're going to bring it right across the top of the mouth. Next, let's make some sharp teeth in here. Nothing too big, but we're just going to make some little V shapes right along here. Then right here, I'm going to make some little triangle shapes for some more teeth here. And then some more here. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to bring this line up and then down to here, just so it can have a little bit more detail. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'll make a little line that's just going to curve down again. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this down here. And then I want to start at the bottom now. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line up, and then I'm going to curve another line up here. Then I'll make one more that's going to curve up here. I'm going to curve a line that's just going to come down here. It's going to come around and then up. Then right here, let's make another line. It's just going to go down to here. And I'm going to bring this up to here. We'll make one here and then one here. And then I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down. And it's going to come up and around to here. I'm going to make another flipper by curving a line down. Then bring in a line that's going to curve around and then up here. Now, starting here for some detail, I like to make some long kind of broken lines. They're just going to kind of come up and then down here. So we're just going to kind of do this all along here. We're going to make some of these kind of come up and down. You can even start them in different spots, just to kind of, do some detail around here. We're going to curve some lines here and then some broken lines here. We're going to do some little broken lines right around here too. And then some broken lines here and a few broken lines here. Then we're going to do some broken lines here and some broken lines up here. And then some lines here. And we're going to do some lines around here and here. Next, in the mouth, I'm just going to draw some kind of long lines, very similar to those ones we've done on the outside, just to kind of show how big the mouth is. And then a couple little lines right across here, too. And there you go. There is your drawing of Bloop. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.